Start with drawing a circle. Add a curved line to form the tail. Close the curve to form the rest of a tail. Draw a circle at the top to form the head. Lightly add horizontal and vertical lines. This is where the face will go. In the center of the face, draw a nose in the middle using a circle, triangle, or any shape you choose. Add arms at the front of the body and form paws. Above the nose, add eyes. Below the nose, add a mouth using lines or curves, any shape you would like. And draw a line in the middle of the paws. This will form the stick. Add a square shape at the end of the stick to form the marshmallow. Draw curvy lines for the fire. Draw rectangles at the bottom of the fire to form the logs. You can add lines for added texture to the logs. Add more curvy shapes to add details to the fire. Color in the squirrel, logs, and fire in any colors you would like.